Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
It all started with a really strange scene at a local grocery store. Just listen to this employee.
So how does a simple grocery order get this messed up? At first, it just seemed like a mistake.
Stores were ordering exactly what they needed and getting, well, a bunch of random junk.
But this wasn't just some local mix-up. It was a sign of a huge national crisis. Meet the invisible giant, UNFI. They're the ones stocking the shelves at thousands of stores you shop at.
And we're talking major players like Whole Foods and Target. Even the U.S. military relies on them.
Their network is massive, serving over 30,000 stores across the U.S. and Canada. Think about that. Then, on June 5th, disaster struck. Hackers got in, and UNFI had to pull the plug on everything.
So, who was behind it? A cybercrime group called Scattered Spider. And they were just after one thing: money.
And this wasn't a quick fix. It took a painful 21 days just to get their main systems back online. This digital attack created a massive real-world ripple effect that went way beyond Sacramento. People started seeing it everywhere. Bread shortages here, totally empty shelves there, a real mess. And you can bet the financial hit from this one little disruption was, well, just staggering. Get this, the company expected to lose up to $400 million in sales just from the outage. On top of that, they spent another $20 million on old-school pen and paper to keep things moving. But this crisis wasn't just about money. They were in a serious race against time.
Because when the food supply chain stops, unlike other industries, stuff literally starts to rot.
This is a textbook example of third-party risk. Basically, if your supplier gets hit, you get hit too. It really makes you wonder, right? Just how secure is the invisible system that feeds all of us?
So that little glitch in Sacramento proved that one single breach can threaten our entire food supply.
Which leaves us with a pretty scary question. What's the next weak link we all depend on every single day? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.